I got to Boise, Idaho last night about 10 o'clock. Laid down at the hotel for several hours. It's now a little after 9. I'm on my way to Coeur d'Alene. We're going to stop in McCall. It's about 50 degrees right now. A little rain. Hopefully that rain will go away on our way up. And yeah, Boise, Idaho. Anyway, thank you for joining me with this journey. Let's go check it out. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good. How you doing?
Good.
I saw that you have breakfast to go.
We don't have much left. We sold out a lot of stuff.
Oh, okay. All right. What a cool place.
3 sandwiches left. That's it.
I'll take one.
Say you want sausage or bacon?
What do you recommend?
I don't eat them, so I can't. Well, I'm not a sausage person.
Okay. I'll do the bacon.
Okay.
This is a really cool place.
Thanks.
Hello. How you doing?
Good. How are you?
Good.
Go?
I'm sorry?
Taking it to go.
Yes, ma'am.
We're warning all of our customers that next week is our last week open until November 16th.
Can you say that again for the camera? Is that because of the weather?
You know, it's just the slowest time.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah.
This is my first time here.
Well, you caught us. Good for you.
I know. I saw the outside when I passed by. Oh, you know what? I think I'm gonna take some of that too.
What would you like?
Let's do the walnut brand muffins. Oh, sorry.
You just want one?
Okay, and the huckleberry. You sold me.
That was really hard.
What's the iron barbecue? Black iron barbecue.
It's a barbecue. I live in Austin, Texas, and this is a barbecue restaurant. Yes, ma'am.
Nice.
You're probably on cold, buddy.
Yes, yesterday it was 90 degrees when I was at home. I flew in last night into Boise, and I was like, man, it was like 48, and now here I think it's like 44.
You haven't lived until you're here in January.
I know, I heard.
You tell me you're scared. You tell me you're weak, but I know you're stronger than what you think. And I know it's hard. Yeah, I know it's rough, but we'll make it through, and I'll back you up. Wherever you're going, I'm going to. I'll follow you through the black and the blue. Whatever the mountain, we'll climb to the next. Honey, I'm with you through life and to death. You tell me you're nervous. You say you're afraid. I wish you could see that. I think you're brave. And if it all falls, if it all breaks,
These roads are narrow. I should not be doing this.
I'll still be here to fix these mistakes. Wherever you're going, I'm going to. I'll follow you through the black and the blue. Whatever the mountain, we'll climb to the next. Honey, I'm with you.
Okay. I'll be honest with you. I'm at the top of the. I hope I'm at the top of I hope I'm at the summit. Let's just say that. As beautiful as this drive is, this road is not for the faint of heart. If you have issues with height, I would highly recommend you do your research before driving this road. Also, it doesn't help that it's wet and the railings on the side are only like 2 feet tall, and I'm in a Jeep. The other thing, there's snow on the ground, so let's go check out where we're at. We are above the cloud line now. Let's check it out.
Mountain, we'll climb to the next. Honey, I'm with you through life and to death. Honey,
I definitely was not expecting this. I mean, it is beautiful. I mean, yeah, maybe in the summertime if you guys come up, check it out, check the road out. A lot of things to see, and I'm only halfway there, and so this is nerve-wracking, I'm not gonna lie. Oh man, you see I'm above the clouds, or I'm in the clouds, let's just say that. So hopefully I'm at the summit like I said before, and things start to clear up and warm up and dry up as I head down. Talk to you guys soon. How you doing?
That's You want some water or anything?
I have some. Do you guys want me to take your picture?
This old habit's got a hold on me, won't let go of me. This old habit's got a grip on me, won't set me free, won't leave me be. I can't shake it, I can't break it, I can't get away from you, you pull me in. I can't shake it, I can't break it, I can't get away from you, you pull me in. Your sweet allure, it is too much for me. You got me on my knees. I know I should just walk away, but your hold on me won't give